Mining.com.au is coming to you once again from the Gold Coast Gold Conference. Sitting next to me is the Exploration Manager of North Stawell Minerals, Scott Duncombe. Scott, it's a pleasure to see you again. How are you?
Yeah, very good, Shae. Great to see you again.
Now, there's a lot of progress happening at your Darlington Reef mine. I know there is air core drilling underway there. Take us through what this looks like.
Yeah, I guess based on the results that we had last year from the diamond drilling, they're very exciting, and they pinpoint high grade, which is what we call a Mariners style mineralisation. And we're looking at trying to determine the strike extent of this mineralisation. So we're drilling north and south with the air core drilling at the moment. That'll give us a great indication on the orientation of this high grade mineralisation.
Now, I noticed you mentioned that you said you were doing air core drilling, but there is sort of a plan to do diamond drilling later on in the year.
Yeah.
Why would you be doing air core drilling now? Why can't you just stick the big hole in?
Yeah, air core is the first choice in that it's a lot cheaper, and it covers a larger area, and it's more cost effective in terms of seeing the surface or close to surface expression. And we think the mineralisation is steeply dipping, so we should be able to get it with some shallow type drilling with air core.
Okay, so that's sort of, this quarter and next quarter covered, but what are some of the other things investors can look forward to hearing about over the course of 2026?
Yeah, no, I think we're very excited on what the results from the air core drilling will bring, and we anticipate doing some diamond drilling based on the results from this air core drilling. So this will be in the Darlington region. We'll be heading north as well through the Caledonia region, which is an exciting mineralisation trend between Caledonia and Darlington. So we'll be doing a larger soil testing grid program, and this will be sort of in line with further drilling of Caledonia as well.
And finally, my favourite question to ask geologists. Now, I see that you've brought some rocks over. Mate, which one's your favourite? Can I get a little bit of a show and tell?
Yeah, I think they're both good because they both contain gold.
Okay.
This one was thrown away when the Darlington Mine was in production. So this shows you the high-grade nature of the mine. So it even had gold in it. They threw that away. But this is one of our modern drill holes from last year. And you can see there's some really good gold through there. Within this quartz breccia matrix, which is a Mariners-style reef deposit, which historically over 1 million ounces was mined at 30 grams per tonne. So if we can find more of that, happy days.
So it's a hint of what could be laying at depth.
Yeah, correct.
Listen, Scott, thank you so much for the update and the little free geology lesson. I look forward to speaking with you next time.
Yeah, thanks, Shae.